Good afternoon everyone, how are you? Clive Lambert here from FuturesTechs with the second of my, what do you call it? Yeah, YouTube videos looking at the charts of the day and what's going on here. And today we've had an interesting session. We've seen gold rallying all the way up to 1424. We've seen a strong rally in Brent crude as well, although the WTI is still lagging on that one and stuck in its range. We've seen weakness in equity markets, although again it's been reasonably resilient in Europe, and we've seen a rally in the Bund up to 40.71, which is a key level, being last week's failure high. There's something else in the Bund that we can look at afterwards. But actually, maybe the key to today is, and the thing that I want to focus on for today's segment, is the gaps in the US equity markets, which have been reacting lower and have got an interesting situation going on today. So let's have a look at those. The first thing worth looking at is the S&P 500. You can see this last candle here is today so far. And so yesterday's low at 1653.25 is above the market, and for those traders who look at just the daily the daily price action during the day session, 1652.75, that's last night's low, and so is gap resistance at the moment. There was a small attempt to go higher at the start of trade. We are getting on for an hour into trade now, and actually having hit 1644.25, the S&P is back near that low at 1636. The Dow is a similar situation, there's your daily candlestick chart, and look, we are back here. That low overnight, 14.797, just before the day session kicked into life, is bang on that 22nd of August low, and the high between those two at 15.033 was on the 50% retrace of this entire move. So look, this is looking weak, and 14.920 is the gap resistance, and that's where I'd look to try and sell somewhere around 14.900, expecting 920 to do a job as resistance. Because we've got the gap at 14.920, and then we've got it's not coming up on here, and the high volume node for the 9 days since we broke lower is around here at 945, around there, 14.945. So I think that we're going to struggle to retake that area of resistance in the Dow futures, and that's something I'd like to be keeping an eye on. Nasdaq chart is interesting on the daily candlestick, daily session only. You can see that yesterday's high was 314.725, which is just 3/4 of a tick shy of that 13th of August high there. The low 31.1725, and we've opened dramatically below there this morning. That, my friends, that little bit there at the moment, what we've got, that is an island reversal, a 2-day island reversal. Pretty powerful stuff with a gap either side, and that's with the failure at the resistance there as well. What I'll be watching for this one now, what's the low, two identical highs, what's the low between there? That's 30.59.75, and I'm going to be keeping an eye on that level to give it, because if we were to break there, we get the double top sell signal on top of this island reversal shooting star. Suddenly a number of things all coming together and saying this is something we want to be keeping an eye on chart wise. So that's it for me. I hope there's a few things in there that are of interest. Clients, please feel free to contact us if there's anything that you're scratching your head about, and I hope everybody's enjoying the videos, and any feedback is gratefully accepted. And have a good day, have a good week, and hopefully we'll be back with more of these. Thanks a lot.